Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. In today's video, I am going to give you three different hardest chess puzzles in the world. Okay, let's go to the hardest puzzles one. Okay, white wins in 7 moves in this game. It is possible if the first move is white. Okay, I am telling again, white wins in 7 moves in this game. If it possible if the first move is white. Okay, let's go to the moves. Okay, first move is white 10. White knight go to b6 and fork the king and queen. You can see now I am going to teach you. This knight attack this king, check now, and fork the queen. That's why black need to cut the knight by the black pawn. Okay, this pawn easily cut the knight. Okay, we will see how to can this match black. Black pawn c cross b5. After that, beautiful move make white. White bishop go to c6 and check. Okay, now fork the queen and king. In this case, now black queen cut the white bishop. Queen cross c6. Okay, after that, the third move of white king go to e5 and brilliant check, discovered check. Now you can see now this rook there is a check. Okay, that's why this king cannot come here, not come here, not come here. Only way queen go to b5. Okay, we will see how to can this match black. Black king go to b5, 10. White made another brilliant move of a4 pawn. Check now. In this case, black king need to move. Black king go to c5. Okay. Then white pawn go to b4 and brilliant check. In this particular chess game, black need to cut the white pawn. If cut with the black pawn, why the black pawn? Cut the white pawn by the black pawn. Then white made a brilliant move of check with his rook c4 and check and sacrifice the rook. In this case, you can see now this bishop cut the rook. Okay, now cut the rook by the bishop. That's it. In one move, white won the game. You can see now beautiful checkmate with d4 pawn. That's it. That's why this game easily won white. Okay, this is very hardest puzzles in the world. Puzzles number 1. Let's go to the puzzles number 2. Second hardest puzzles in the world. Okay. Hi everyone. This is hardest puzzles 2. White wins by checkmate in 12 moves only. It is possible if the first move is white. Let's go to the moves. Okay, it is possible if the first move is white. Okay, first move is queen sacrifice. White queen sacrifice his queen. You can see now I am going to teach you. This queen cut this pawn and check and sacrifice. Okay, now cut the pawn by the queen. That's why easily cut the queen by the king. Okay, then knight go to b5 and check. Again discovered check here. You can see now I am going to teach you. This rook attack this line in check, double check. This knight check also. In this rook go into this line. This black king can go to this space only. Okay, now the king go to here on b8. After that, white make a brilliant move of rook d8 and check and sacrifice. Okay, now black rook, take the white rook. Okay, then white bishop go to f4 and brilliant check. Now king need to go a8 squares only. The king go to a8. Then knight go to c7 and beautiful check here. Okay. After that, king go to b8. Okay. Now king go to b8. Now brilliant move, make white knight. Okay. This knight goes a6 and discovered check here. You can see now this knight cut the bishop and check now. Check with double check. Only knight check with knight and bishop also check here. Then king go to only space, king go to a8. This is the 6th move of black. Then the 7th move, black knight go to c7, again check. Now king need to move, king go to here on b8. After that, brilliant move, make white knight go to d5 and check. In this case, white and black knight, black the check with black knight, then cut the knight and check, then black then check with rook, then beautiful move, make bishop cross d6 and check. After that, king need to move, king go to here on a8. After that, you can see now knight go to b6 and beautiful check. Then now only way black need to cut the knight. He cannot do anything. Only way this pawn cut the knight. Okay, we will see now. If cut like this, then beautiful checkmate with rook. Rook go to a1 and brilliant checkmate. That's it. This is hardest puzzles in the world, number 2 puzzles. Okay, if you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, let's go to the hardest puzzles 3. Okay, hi everyone, this is hardest puzzles 3. In this particular chess game, white win by checkmate in 15 moves only. You can see how to win the game white. First move is white chain. If it is possible, if the first move is white. Okay, first move knight f6 and check. Then king go to g7. Then knight h5 check. Then king go to g6. Then again bishop c2 check. Cut the knight. Then d8 and get the queen white. Okay, then knight f7 check, then wrap the queen. That's it. Then king go to f5. Okay, then e2. Okay, bishop go to there. Then e1 and get the knight. Okay, then bishop go to d5. After that c2, he got another bishop go to c4, got the knight, and bishop go to here on b5. In this case, now black chain, black knight go to c6, then bishop cross c6. After that, knight go to c7, then brilliant move, make white bishop go to a4. Okay, then c4. This is the bad move he did. Now bishop go to d1 and brilliant check. Now black the check with knight, then cut the knight, then black the check with knight, then bishop cross f3 and brilliant checkmate. That's it. In this game, if you like, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone. Thank you. Bye bye.